Hi beautiful people, it is Melinda here. I am back with you today to show you guys how I'm going to get ready for New Year's Eve. This is the look right here. I hope you guys like it. So right now I've got Kiki hair extensions in and they are so freaking thick. Look how nice they are. They are so long. I had to chop them myself. I couldn't go to the hairdressers because I just haven't had time. So they're a little bit choppy. I don't know how to cut hair, guys. And all the hairs at the back as well, there's more hair, guys, so I've just pulled some to the front. I didn't want to pull them all to the front because it is quite thick, so I'm going to say that this hair is genuinely very, very good quality. This is the Onyx Black 26-inch deluxe hair, the clip-in extensions, if you're wondering. I have a code if you're interested. It is Melinda10. If you want, make sure you check the down bar below. I will link all the details in there, including the products that I've used, of course. So usually I would skip the base because you guys have seen me do my foundation like over a million times now, and it can get boring watching that sort of stuff. But lately I've been into the Wet n Wild foundations. I've bought like 2 different colors because I wasn't too sure like which one I would be. Golden Beige is a little bit too light for me, and then Desert Beige is too dark, so I mixed the 2 together and they work amazingly on my skin. It's flawless. It reminds me of Estee Lauder foundation for like a quarter of the price. I think this was like $10 to $14 for the foundation, and double wear is like $58 here in Australia. I'm in the color Cashew, if you're wondering. I'm gonna go ahead first with Desert Beige and just apply this all over my skin here. I'm gonna go in with Golden Beige now. I really do like the fact that it comes with like a little spatula attached to the lid. I just apply this straight onto my skin using the tool that comes with it. It's a lot more easier to use, but it is pretty messy. Like my bottle's pretty messy right now. I'm just gonna go in with my beauty blender. Now that my foundation is on, I'm just going to put concealer around the under eye area. I'm just going to put some purple ointment on my lips first because I feel like they're really dry, so I'm just going to do that. The concealer that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. I've been loving Wet n Wild products lately, guys. Like, they're so affordable and they work really well as well. This one I find is a really good concealer. I can't remember how much it was, but I love it. I'm going to go buy another one. I'm just going to beauty blend this concealer away. My favorite translucent powder is the RMCA. I keep purchasing this over and over again. This is my 3rd one. I love it. I will not go with any other translucent powder because it's my favorite and it's so affordable as well. So I've got it on a tissue here. I'm just going to go in and pop some under the eye. Straight after powdering the translucent on with the beauty blender, I go in with a powder brush and I just sort of dab the powder all over my face and then brush it. So I've pretty much set the face. I'm going to go ahead and contour, highlight and all that stuff. I have so many makeup tutorials on YouTube that show you guys exactly what products I use. I honestly don't switch up, which is why I don't have monthly favorites. I use the same products. So for highlighting, I'm always using the Becca Champagne Pop. For contouring, I use the NARS Casino Bronzer. Yeah, like I don't really switch up products, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and come back and show you guys how to do your eyes. I am back and now I feel a little bit like naked because my eyes are not done, so it looks really weird. I'm just gonna go in and take a brush. Just got everything in front of me. I'm gonna get my Champagne Pop highlighter and just take the back of this brush, it's an Urban Decay one, and just highlight under my brows with it. I'm going to go in with my MAC Velvet Teddy Lippy and just pop this on because my lips are really naked. And then what I like to do is mix it with my Jeffree Star's Baby Daddy lip velour. This is actually one of my favourite colours in his range. So I go in and just kind of mix it with Velvet Teddy. I'm going to take my MAC blending brush. Well, actually no, it's my Sigma. Sorry, I've got my Sigma blending brush here. And my Naked Heat palette. And just taking the colour Sauce, which is almost out. So I'm going to go in and just pop that into my crease. And just keep blending it upwards. Now taking my Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, and from here I'm taking this brown colour. I'm just going to pop this on the bottom waterline and in my crease with my blending brush as well. Just dabbing it on, and then we'll blend that out as well. Popping that same brown in the crease, just bringing it inwards. Now I'm actually going to take a whole different colour altogether. With my MAC blending brush, I'm going to take Love Plus from the Sugar Peel palette, which is this red colour here, and I'm going to pop this into the crease and slowly build it up because we want a pop of colour on our eyes. The only thing I don't like about this red is that it can stain the eyelid because it is red. Just slowly blending it in the crease. So it's going to look like this for now. We're going to get like a dark brown colour. This is from the whatchamacallit, Wet n Wild palette. There's no like name to it. So I'm just going to get the dark brown and then pop it in the outer corner there, and then just blend it in that corner. The eyes should look like this so far. I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus eyeshadow primer. This is the best eye primer ever. Oh my god, I've tried everything. Urban Decay, Too Faced, Lime Crime. They don't have Lime Crime primers anymore, which freaking sucks because that was my favorite. So I went for this one and I freaking love it. Highly recommend it. Go and get it, guys. It's the best. I'm going to apply just a little bit because a little bit goes a long way with this, like literally that much there. You can't see it, but yeah. I'm just going to pop this on the lid area here, avoiding the dark colour. I'm going to go in with this brush here. It's just a natural hair brush. Spray a bit of MAC Fix Plus. This is the gold one as well. My partner got this for me. It smells really good. Just like a normal Fix Plus, I guess, but I like the smell of it. I sprayed a little bit onto my hand and I dabbed the brush into it. Now I'm just going to go in with my Jeffree Star Siberian Gold highlighter, and I use this as the eyeshadow. I'm just patting it on so I don't move the primer around. To finish this look off, I'm going to go in with Dirty Talk from the Heat palette, just with my finger, and I'm going to apply this just where the gold meets the brown, just there, and then blend it out with my finger. I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyes. You guys have seen me do that numerous times now. I'm going to use my Avon Super Extend Extreme Liner. It's just like one of those like felt tip ones. I'm running out, so I need to get another one of these. I don't know if Avon still exists. I'm just going to have to find out online. And then I'm going to put some Lancome mascara on. The Hypnose one is my favorite. And I'm going to go in with these lashes here. This is the Baby Doll lashes from Doll Glamour. And they are shipped from Queensland, Australia. Thanks for tuning in. This is the final look now. I'm going to go ahead and do my hair. But before I do, I might as well show you a close-up of my makeup because I'm sure you guys want to see it. So let me come up closer. Here is the final look. So I'm going to go ahead and put my Kiki hair extensions in, but before I do, I want to show you guys what my hair looks like before the extensions. It is quite long and it's really thick as well. My hair is quite thick. I haven't been to the hairdressers in ages, so I did trim the hair extensions myself. which might make it look a bit choppy, but just bear with me because I am not a hairdresser by any means. So this is my real hair. It goes up to my boobs, just along there, and the hair extensions will come down further down my waist. So I want length and volume, and so I got the deluxe range from Kiki hair. I do have a code in case you want to use that to give yourself some discount, but like I said, this is what my hair looks like, just natural. It's really long, it's really thick side, and then on the back. Alright, so you guys have seen how long my hair is. I'm just gonna section my hair from the back like so, and then just clip this up wherever my clip is, and then I'm going to take a 3-piece weft and pop that in there. Just gonna bring this one to the front. So far this is how long it is, and this is my real hair. I still need to add more to make up the thickness with, you know, my real hair, so let's keep adding. Sectioning my hair above that clip, and I'm going to put another 3 weft in and clip this up. So I have a whole head of hair now. It feels so different, but I love the look. It's so thick. I've put in like the 2-3 wefts at the bottom, and then the 4 weft at the top here, and then on this side the 2 weft, because I want to make sure that my real hair on this end here blends in with the rest of the long hair. And right now this side isn't, because you can see this is shorter than this. So I'm going to go in and clip the 2 weft in, just section this bit here, clip that away, and just pop this on. So yeah, now my hair blends in with the rest. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous. Love this. Love it. Love the length. Look how long it is. Gosh, it's so nice and thick. Alrighty, so now that we have our hair and makeup done, let's get into our outfit. Anyways, that is it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy the new year, new you. Make sure that you guys stay safe during your holidays, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Follow me on Instagram if you would like to see more updates of me or my life, or just random vlogs and things like that. I will catch you guys all soon. Bye!